दक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Without taking much of your time, let's start out the function by a patriotic music dance by little fairies to welcome you all once again for this spectacular day. So let's welcome the little champs from 5th standard.
गणपति कौतुकम तलंग तक टिक तक तक तो
An oath is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. This independence, let's take the pledge to protect the peace and unity of our nation. So I request Prahasini to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-beings and prosperities alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation and start our cultural program. Speech is power. Speech is persuasive to compel and to convert. I call upon Akshaya for Tamil speech on Independence Day.
அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய காலை வணக்கங்கள். ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்கும் நண்பர்களுக்கும் என் பணிவான சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்த 75வது சுதந்திர தின விழாவில் எனக்கு பேச வாய்ப்பளித்தவர்களுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. இந்த நாள் நமது தேசம் ஆங்கிலேய பிடியிலிருந்து விடுபட்ட பொன்னான நாளாகும். நமது தாய்நாட்டான இந்திய திருநாட்டின் 75வது சுதந்திர தினத்தை ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் நாள் கொண்டாடுகிறோம். 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் நாள் இந்தியா பிரிட்டிஷ் அரசாங்கத்திடமிருந்து தாய்நாட்டின் சுதந்திரத்தை அடைந்தது. இந்த நாள் இந்திய மக்களின் வாழ்விலும் மனதிலும் ஆழமாக பதிந்த நாளாக விளங்குகிறது. நமது தாய்நாட்டான இந்தியா சுதந்திரம் பெற்று சுமார் அரை நூற்றாண்டுகளையும் கடந்து நாம் சுதந்திரமாக நமது தாய் மண்ணில் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசித்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம் என்றால் அதற்கு முதற் காரணம் நமது தேசிய தலைவர்களும் போராட்ட வீரர்களுமே. 200 ஆண்டுகளுக்கும் மேலாக சொந்த மண்ணிலேயே அடிமையாக வாழ்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு இந்தியனும் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசித்த நாள் இந்த நாள் ஆகும். ஆயிரம் போராட்டங்கள், லட்சக்கணக்கான உயிர்களை விலையாக கொடுத்து வாங்கப்பட்டது இந்த சுதந்திரம். இதன் நோக்கத்தையும் புனிதத்தையும் சரியாக பயன்படுத்துவது இந்தியராகிய நம் ஒவ்வொருவரின் முதற் கடமையாகும். நன்றி.
Followed by that, I call Archana for English speech.
Good morning. Every year on August 15th, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India, where people remember the long phase of our nation, independence from British rule. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters have sacrificed their life. On the dawn of this day, exactly 75 years ago, India was freed from the shackles of foreign rule. The declaration of freedom was probably the most happiest thing could ever happen to India. The entire nation celebrates this day, the full spirit of patriotism. After India's independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to
Arathama from Chams, are you ready? We'll move on to the next, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The art of communication is the language of leadership. Thank you, Archie and Archana, for your wonderful speech. Now I request our respected academic dean Sarla ma'am to take over the cabinet installation.
Yes, thank you, Nandana. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. So we are well aware that we have conducted elections and now we are going to start the cabinet installation. Let me introduce the house captains first, followed by head girl and head boy, which will be continued by Sharmila ma'am with the introduction of deputy captains. Nandana, is my screen visible?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am will join. Sarla,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
muted me.
Yes, ma'am, let us start before ma'am shares the screen.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, my dear, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. Hello, friends. My name is Saralna from 5th standard. We honor our great freedom fighters in the national celebration of Independence Day. This day teaches us the importance of patriotism and stretches our unity irrespective of any difference. We remember all the struggles and sacrifices which anchors did for the country of India. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for your wonderful speech.
Ma'am, I want to show one thing, ma'am.
What is that, Aradhana? You can just show to the camera.
Can
Very
you see?
good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Sarla, ma'am. Raji, ma'am. Sarla, ma'am has joined, ma'am.
I'll check for it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have joined, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Started sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, let me start with the house captain introduction. Captain of Agni team is Suryam Shenoy. Suryam Shenoy, are you there? Suryam Shenoy, are you there, ma? Okay, dear. Captain of Prithvi House is Hiranmayi Sivakumar. Captain of Trishul House is Kishore CM from 8th standard. Captain of Nag House is Preeti A of 8th standard. And head boy is 9th standard. Head girl is Tikshita GK of 8th standard. Congratulations, dear students. We hope you will lead your student organization in a well organized manner. We hope we will use this to lead and make changes among students. This is a huge step towards your future. Once again, congratulations, students. Now I call upon Tikshita to take over the pledge for other house captains. Tikshita and Srivardhan, head girl and head boy, can lead the pledge.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, dear, you can start.
Welcome to the Cabinet Installation Ceremony for the academic year 2021 to 2022. I, Tikshita GK. Ma'am, they want to repeat
I
now.
expect other captains also to repeat the pledge. Srivardhan, Kishore, Suryamsh, Kiranmai, and Preeti. Please take the pledge along with Tikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, we are not allowed to unmute ourselves, ma'am. That's really rude.
Yes, dear, I have made you co-host. You can start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, can I start, ma'am?
Yes, dear, you can start.
I request everyone to repeat. I, Tikshita GK. I, Kiranmai. Of
I, Suryamsh of
class 8.
class 8
Have been elected as
have been elected as
head girl of the
the captain of
House captain of
school for
house
the academic
for the
Agni for the
academic
academic
year
year
2021
2021
to 2022.
to 2022.
2022.
I with
I will
full of my
full of my
consciousness
consciousness
swear that
swear that
Where that
I
I discharge my
my
duties
duties
and fulfill
and
and
fulfill
fulfill
and my responsibilities
my responsibilities
without showing
without showing
without solely
under
partiality under
the
partiality under the
conditions
and terms of
and the
terms
terms of
of
the management.
the management.
management.
I
I
I
myself be an
be an
idol and role model
idol and role
role
model
model
to all my co-students
to all my
my
co-students
co-students
and insist
and insist
insist
everybody to
everybody to
to
follow the
follow
the
instructions of our school.
instructions
instructions
of
for our school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tikshita. And we are feeling proud to introduce our English club leader, Yashwant of 9th standard. English club inauguration will be done by soft skill department the upcoming week, students. So, students, Sharmila ma'am, you can introduce your deputy leaders.
Thank you, Sarla ma'am. Now I feel proud enough in order to call upon the young
Hello, Shabnila ma'am. You are not audible, ma'am. We can't hear you.
Yes. Is it audible now, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You can
Yes,
continue.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, one and all present here. It is a great occasion that freedom. Freedom is nothing but Shakti Narmada screen, please stop. Okay. Is it audible now, ma'am? Sarla, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible, ma'am. But
Okay.
someone's screen is
Screen sharing. Shakti Narmada, please stop your screen sharing, ma. You remove our co-host, ma'am, I think so.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do it now, ma'am. You continue.
Okay. Good morning, one and all present here. Sorry for the inconvenience, students. Independence. What is independence? Independence is nothing but giving freedom, not only to ourselves, to our personal things. That each of us should have the freedom of speech, freedom of thought. Only when we have the freedom of speech and thought, it can be done throughout. There is nobody, no ropes are tied anybody else. The same way, here we call upon the young budding leaders who are going to take up their challenge. Now they may be the young leaders. In future, they may be the future citizens who will shape the entire thing. I feel proud enough to call upon our deputy head boy. Salama, my screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible, ma'am.
Okay. So the head boy is going to be Rujul Dev, who followed by head girl, which is our Nega Ashok. Then the Trishul captain, Deekshit. Agni House captain, Harshant. Nag House deputy captain is going to be our Purvashri and also Prithivi Raghavi. Congrats all these leaders.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana, you can continue, Nandana.
Yes, ma'am. Leader is the capacity to translate vision into reality. So with this quote, I congratulate head boy, head girl, deputy head boy, deputy head girl, and the house captains. Today, Nitya ma'am and Harisharvan of class 4 are celebrating their birthday. Let's celebrate by a birthday song.
Before that, I would like to show the video of flag hoisting in our school, ma'am. So let's see the video,
Yes,
then we'll
ma'am.
go for the birthday song.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. On behalf of the management of Narayana Techno School, Madhananthapuram, I proudly wish all the fellow Indians a happy Independence Day. In this regard, we'll be looking into the significance, history, and some of the facts regarding the Independence Day celebrations that is going to be happening in India. So, Independence Day 2021, history and significance of August 15. This year, India celebrates its 75th year of independence. And to commemorate the occasion, here is a look at the history and significance of this day. India received freedom from oppressive rule of British Empire on August 15, 1947. This day is celebrated across the nation with much honor and pride, with all Indians coming together to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and leaders.
Okay, ma'am, let me play the song, ma'am.
Gratitude is the memory of the heart. Here comes our end of our celebration. To give a wonderful vote of thanks, I call Sri Sai Lakshmi.
A warm and cherished
Nandana,
morning to
before that, 1 minute, Sri Sai Lakshmi. Before that, I call upon our Honorable Principal Sir to address the gathering.
Good morning, all of you. So this is a proud moment for all of us. On behalf of the management of Narayana Techno School, Madhananthapuram, I wish all the students, parents, staff members, segment teachers, all of them a happy Independence Day. So the cabinet installation ceremony went on well. I really thank the coordination between the segment in charges, staff members and the students. And especially on this day, it was a blockbuster event and it was super cool. All the sequence of events, the agenda, the way you reciprocated, the mode of action was very good. So let's keep this momentum going. I really thank all the members from the bottom of my heart. And we also thank all the members for including me in this celebration. Kindly keep this momentum going. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sri Sai Lakshmi for vote of thanks.
A warm and cherished morning to our Honorable Principal Sir, Academic Dean Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the teachers and students gathered here. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this Independence Day. On behalf of the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. And thanks to other dignitaries. On behalf of my school, I give a heartfelt vote of thanks to our Principal Sir, Academic Dean Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and the teachers who spent their busiest time raising the occasion. Today we had the opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this is definitely encouraging us in our future events. The thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. And thanks to all the speakers for admiring the occasion and sharing their opinion today. The elegance of my own thoughts and interpretation of everything I need to mention, my deep sense of appreciation. I thank all the staff members within the organization of this festive events. This type of incident cannot happen overnight. The wheels start moving about a week ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate to be supported by a team of very active and dedicated teachers and students of our organization. The essence of fruits is always tested in the last. We believe that the last will be the best. We would like to thank all our students for working with us in making this Independence Day memorable one for all. I would like to end it with a quote. The nation will remain the land of the free only so long as it is the home of brave. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hold your head high. It's a great feeling to be an Indian. Let's spread all over the cheer. Vande Mataram and a happy Independence Day once again. Nation anthem is the heart of any Indian. So I would like you all to stand up for the nation anthem and sing along with our team.
Mukund, you're ready, ma? I
Yes,
request
ma'am. He's ready.
Okay, okay. Cool. Standard is attention. Standard is attention. Please raise from your seats. It's a request from all of us. Yes, Mukund.
Yeah, start.
Thank you, Mukund. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, sir. And thank you, students, for joining the session.